Today is the topic of data recording. Data recording is the documentations of the data or informations collected from their related field. And animal farm, there is so many bird activity. Animal farm uh, is a dynamic and complicated enterprises uh, which having uh, which having objective for the milk productions as well as increases the profitability of the farm. Animal farm is dynamic. This is because during time the number of animal of the milking and the animal increases time to time. Number of days opens as well as number of pregnant animals is also vary with time. A stage of a, a stage of a stage of animal is also changes with time. That is stuff changes into heifer changes into breedable heifer, and breedable heifer changes into cow. That is going on process. As well as there is one another important input variation, that is input cost variations. The cost of feed and fodder as well as medicines also affect the economic of the farm. During the lean period of fodder availability, the cost of fodder is high. In animal farming, almost 70% cost is on feed and fodder. For achieving goal, there is need of recruitment of efficient manager who tackles all the data in systematic manner, and they take out all the information regarding the farming activity. And this systematic information helps in plan for helps in plan for future for the dairy farms. Data recording with purposefully help in proactive management. During many decades, data is registered on the seed and registers. Nowadays, there is increases number of organized farms, as well as in the farm high yielder animals is also available, that become more prevalent. Gathering data through historical method become more costly for that. Nowadays, the recording of data is done in the PC, data recording software, online software, and real-time recording software. From this type of data recording, help change a smoothly analysis of data. At the form, there is following types of data recorded. That is live stock register. In this register, all the present animal record is available. Pedigree and history sheets. This pedigree and history sheets contains information regarding pedigree, production traits, and reproduction traits of the each animal. Birth register, it contains information of the birth of the calf as well as sire and dam number of the calf. Daily milk register, this register contains amount of milk productions, morning and evening basis. Growth registers, this register contains weighing records of the calf. Daily sick, animal and treatment register, this register contains information of sick animal and types of disorder and what types of treatments. Milk register. This register contains information of milk utilized for calf as well as hot hen calf. Sales auction mortality register. This register contains all the record of sales auction as well as mortality registers. Mortality. Cash book register. This register contains all the financial structure of the farm. A stock book, it contains the animal record. Livestock register, it contains information about the number of animals number, breed, sex, age. Pedigree and history sheet. This contains the information of each animal regarding its brand number, its grade, genetic group, its dam and sire number, grand dam and grandsire number, date of birth or purchase, production and reproduction of information of each animal. In production, trait related information contains 305 days milk yield, lactation length, and peak yield. Reproduction trait information related to contains date of EIE, conception date, and date of calving. Daily milk yield register. This contains the information regarding amount of milk productions in morning and evening. Reproductive traits register. This register contains the information regarding reproduction traits, such as animal number or breed, lactation number of dead animals, date of EI, bull number, bull dams, and side number, date of pregnancy diagnosis, expected date of calving, and date of drying, actual date of calving, etc. Post-mortem register. This register contains information of the dead animals and details of the treatment as well as period of sickness. Along with this register also contains age group, animal number, and their sex and types of breed. Birth register. It contains information about date of birth, sire, and dam number, birth weight, calf number, sex, date of death or disposal, etc. Growth register. Recording of body weight at different age group from calfhood age. Treatment registers. It records the animal number of sick animals, name of the disease or disorder, and treatment given. Milk feeding registers. It contains information about milk fed to the calves in case of weaning and also to the orphan calves. Feed and fodder registers. It contains information regarding expenditure on feed and fodder. Sale, auction, and mortality register. This register contains information regarding the sales or auctions or mortality. Cash book register. This register contains all the financial input and output information. What is the purpose of data recording? There are following purpose of the data recording. That is to know the pedigree and history of each animal. It also helps in comparison between the performance within breed as well as to make breed comparison. It helps in culling and selection of animal for breeding purpose. This in turn bring the genetic improvement of future generations. It may help in feeding management for different group of animal. It also helps in research and proactive development planning. Growth record of young stock may help in culling of poor performing calf. From data recording, also know the financial status of the farm as well as also knows the health status of the animal. It can also help in proactive management and plan. Record keeping system have provided an essential link that significantly increases milk productions. The data of one farm may be utilized as reference for the other farms. In milk parlor, milk recording meters become available. Milking machine manufacturing companies develop procedure to capture cow side data and to develop on farm data basis. Thank you.